Hello, my name is Katarina. I'm part of the Flipflopi project. We're based in Lamu, and we, in short, transform plastic waste into boats and many other very amazing furniture with the mission to basically tackle the plastic pollution issue through an artistic and positive way.
What are the challenges you've been facing in the whole creative process?
Plastic recycling in general is quite challenging. There's many different types, and it's everywhere. It's out there in the environment. It needs to be collected, and it's very dirty, contaminated, and it's just sometimes not easy to get there. And also working with the community to change perspectives and sort of not only make them realize, okay, there's somehow a value, okay, we can make that into a business, but also change perspective to actually change behaviors. Like, how do you consume? What do you support, and how industry changes. So there's basically the technical challenge of plastic recycling and getting the high quality materials out of this waste material. Yeah. That by its own is a challenge and needs a lot of engineering, a lot of testing, a lot of investment. And the other one just like sort of perspective change and more system change, which is the longer term thing we're aiming for.
From a business perspective, how do you see yourself in the future? As a project in the future?
Yeah, so we are a non-profit. The main thing is trying to create solutions for this system and to make a better environment long term. So that's just generally how, every time we would have some profit of something, maybe of a training or of a furniture or something we sell or a donation, it would go back into research and trying to find solutions or supporting the local sort of capacity building of people actually knowing how to deal with something, training more people. So by itself, like business-wise, we hope that we can grow a business around recycled plastic products and furniture because they're really amazing and they're long-lasting and durable and they can be outdoor. And we also try to set up a little bit like commercial arm around trainings. But recycling, to make it financially viable, is really hard, nearly impossible. Like most of the recyclers are still supported basically by programs, by plastic credits or things like that, because it's just very, very hard. That's why I would always see our business more like as a non-profit based on donations and whatever business we can make out of the good stuff, while also using trainings and consultancy basically for other income streams.
From a creative perspective, what are you usually going for? Everyday use items or more artistic type of creations?
You mean how we design?
What type of your items? Do you want to have like everyday use type of material, or you want to go for artistic sculptures and other items?
Yeah.
What are you going for?
I think we're a bit in between that. So we are for our creations. First of all, we are based in Lamu, right? Yeah. So Lamu is very known for the traditional craftsmanship there, the Lamu doors, the Lamu chairs, all those furniture. So a lot of furniture you'll see is like the root is in Lamu. That's also where the theme of the ancestors come in. Our ancestors who, from many, many generations, they've had those designs there, and we're just applying this new material now on the traditional furniture. So that's our guideline, our red line of where we're saying, okay, we just do what's already the culture, just with another material, and that includes practical objects, furniture, hangers, small accessories, and some boat parts and boat items, because also we make boats.
Okay.
That's how we started, actually. We built a boat, and from there everything started. But, of course, plastic and the way we create it and the different colors, it has a very artistic value. So some of the items are like, they come out like pieces of art, and that's where it goes more into that direction, where we could even sell them on art auctions. We also make sheets now which actually really look just like paintings. So I think it's a bit like very usable stuff, but on the spectrum of actually some of them are really like art pieces. Lots of it are actually like art pieces because of the craftsmanship that is being put in there.
Thank you very much. That was a very good interview.
Thank you so much.